What's up, guys, and welcome to the Midcoast Family Services Summer Camp titled Beat the Heat. We have been giving you 5 things that you can do whenever you're in a tough situation to keep yourself out of trouble. We call them the 5 B's. Now, just to review, the first one was beware. This is the hand signal to help you remember it a little better. Then we had bad idea, better one, bye for now, and today here is the 5th one, buzz me later. Now, buzz me later is just saying that if your friends are not willing to change their mind and they're still gonna make a bad choice, you don't have to end the friendship. Just let them know that when they're ready to make good choices, they can buzz you later, call you later, come by later, however you communicate with your friends. And when they're ready to make the right choices, then you guys can hang out. So those were the 5 B's. If you practice them, not only can you have a great summer, you can have a great life. All right, guys. Thank y'all, and we'll see y'all later.
Today we are going to make a paper plate jellyfish, and the materials that you will need is 1 paper plate, some tissue paper, some yarn, and some googly eyes for the eyes. And the tools that you will be using are scissors, glue, a hole punch, and a black marker or a black pen. All right, so first you are going to take your plate and you are going to cut around the circle, the inside of the plate. I find that when you face it downward, just like how I'm doing, it's easier. So cut around the inside of the plate, just like how I am doing. So you're gonna cut around until you get to where you started. All right, so now you have a circle of the plate, and now you're going to take your pencil and you're going to make a wavy line in the middle going across of the circle. So now you have your wavy line. You're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut and follow the line with your scissors, just like how I am doing now. So now you are going to choose which one you want to use. So I decided to use this one. All right, so now take your tissue paper and take some glue, and you are going to glue the tissue paper. As you can see, I'm kind of overlapping the tissue paper with the one that I just glued onto the plate, and that's fine. And you are done with the glue for right now. And grab your scissors, cut the outside, because sometimes the tissue paper overlaps to the side. You can trim it, just how I am doing right now. Grab your hole puncher, and you're going to hole punch holes on the bottom side, like where I motioned. Put about 8 or 9 holes at the bottom. So the finished product, you see the holes are at the bottom. And remember, you can pause this video at any time if you need to catch up. Then you're gonna grab your yarn. It's about 2 feet. You're gonna fold it across like that, halfway. And then you're gonna take the looped side and push it through the hole that you made. And then you're gonna pull it tight. So now you have the other side. You're gonna take the rest of the string and put it through the loop. And then you're gonna do that until you are done with the rest of the holes that you just made. You're gonna do the same thing for the rest of the holes with your yarn. And this yarn is pre-cut. You don't have to do anything with them. You just have to make your knot how I showed you, and that's all you have to do. And the amazing thing about this yarn is that they're not all the same length. Some of them are a little bit shorter than the others, and that's okay because real jellyfish, the tentacles are not the same size. They're all different lengths. So you're gonna do that until you get to until the last one. So now you put your jellyfish down flat on the table. You're gonna take your googly eyes, take your glue, get one of your googly eyes, place your googly eye carefully on top of your glue stick, like how I'm doing right now, and glue your googly eye onto your paper jellyfish. And then take your marker or pen and make the mouth, okay? And be careful with the tissue paper that you just glued in. And there you have it, your paper jellyfish.